Atlanta, GA is consistently ranked one of the best places to live and visit. There's so much to see and do here. So, where do you start? Well, we're here to help. And today we're sharing the best things to do in Atlanta in 2024. Hi, I'm Ariel with Unexpected Atlanta. That's the #1 Atlanta activity on TripAdvisor with over 1,400 five-star reviews. So you know that we know Atlanta. And today we're sharing some of our favorite things to do in 2024. Let's kick off our adventure at the picturesque Piedmont Park. This urban oasis offers breathtaking views of Atlanta's skyline, plus plenty of space for picnics, leisurely strolls, and sports. The park often hosts concerts and festivals like Music Midtown, Shaky Knees, and Atlanta Pride. While at the park, be sure to visit the Atlanta Botanical Gardens for spectacular horticulture displays. The gardens host events all year long, from sunset cocktails and chef events in the summer gardens to their award-winning holiday light displays in the winter. Nature enthusiasts will also love the Georgia Aquarium. That's the largest aquarium in the Western Hemisphere. Witness majestic whale sharks, playful dolphins, and colorful coral reefs. There's even a walk-through aquarium tunnel where you can feel like you're swimming right alongside whale sharks and manta rays and thousands of fish. Now let's move on to the Atlanta Beltline, a project that has transformed old railways into a network of trails and parks that circle the city. It's a real testament to Atlanta's commitment to urban revitalization and community engagement. Along the Beltline, you'll encounter street art, bustling food halls and breweries, and even outdoor fitness classes. So grab a scooter, bike, or your four-legged friend and catch some fresh air. It's where locals and visitors alike gather on a nice day. Hungry after the Beltline? The Krog Street Market is the place to go. This bustling market offers a diverse range of culinary delights, from Southern comfort food to international cuisines. As you wander through the market, you'll also discover unique boutiques and artisanal shops. Some of our favorites are Little Tart Bake Shop, Goo's Dumplings, and Indulge Popcorn. Atlanta has many food halls, but Krog Street remains our favorite for its local vendors, industrial style, and central location. The High Museum of Art is a must-visit destination in Atlanta. With its impressive collection of contemporary and classic art, the museum offers a journey through the world of creativity. In addition to the permanent collections, as well as rotating special exhibits, the museum sponsors art events for toddlers, kids, and teens. And on the first Friday of every month, the museum hosts High Frequency Fridays. That's an adults-only event with cocktails and live music. In addition to its fabulous food and culture, Atlanta also has a rich history worth exploring. Atlanta played a major role in the civil rights movement, so be certain to visit the Martin Luther King Jr. National Historic Site, which pays tribute to the civil rights icon. Learn more about how Atlanta shaped his life and legacy by joining us on one of our historic King District walking tours, where we'll share sights and stories that even locals don't know about. It's a powerful experience that reminds us of the ongoing fight for equality and justice. Strolling through Atlanta neighborhoods is a great way to explore more local culture. One of our favorite spots is Little Five Points, known for its eclectic atmosphere and alternative spirit. This bohemian enclave is a hub for artists, musicians, and unique shops. We love Junkman's Daughter for unexpected clothing, keepsakes, and gifts. Plus, check out the locally owned and operated record store Criminal Records for an afternoon digging through vinyl. For thrifting, go ahead and head to Psycho Sisters and Ragorama. After a day of shopping and sightseeing, head to the Vortex for burgers and brews if you're over the age of 21. Their iconic skull-shaped entrance makes this a well-known landmark. We hope you enjoyed hearing about some of the best things to do in Atlanta, this captivating city. Remember, there's so much more to explore, so be sure to check out the full article. We linked below for additional recommendations. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for even more exciting travel content. All right, until next time, happy exploring.